Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install VLC Media Player on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook, we can install two versions of VLC Media Player. One is the Android version, which can be installed through Google Play Store. And if you want to use the full desktop version of VLC Media Player, then it can be installed using the Linux terminal. To install the Android version of VLC Media Player, simply locate VLC application, right click on it. Here click on install, or else you can simply click on app info, and here you'll find install button. Simply click on it and here click on install. This will install the Android version of VLC Media Player. Now if you want to install Linux version of VLC Media Player, then simply open the app launcher and locate Linux apps folder, and here you'll find VLC Media Player. To install it, you can simply right click on it and click on install, and here click on install. And here you can see it is installing the Linux version of VLC Media Player. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.